To set custom notification sound for separate apps on Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter notifications, scroll all the way down and enter advanced settings, where you can find manage notification categories for each app on the bottom right here. Enable this option and then we'll need to go back to the settings page, scroll down until we find the apps. Then when we enter apps, we can select whichever app we want those custom sounds for. For example, we're gonna select Gmail right here, which is a great example. We can then go to notifications and here make sure that allow notifications is activated, and after that go to notifications categories. From here, you'll be able to see different categories for notifications. So if you, for example, received a mail in Gmail, because each app may have different options right here, you can select that notification and then we can pick different sound. So that means right now, if we selected that and we would receive a mail from Gmail, we'll get this alert sound instead of our default notification sound. And you can do this with most of the apps and they, as I said, they will have their own categories. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.